Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy and flaky Aloo Puff Kachori with a beautifully spiced potato filling. This special layered dough make these kachoris puff up while frying. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt. Pour in 1 tablespoon oil. Kachori is a popular traditional snack. Mix everything well. Ajwain adds a warm aromatic flavor that pairs beautifully with potatoes. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Knead until you get a soft but firm dough. Rub a little oil over it. Cover and keep the dough aside to rest. Now let's prepare the potato filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seed, 1 chopped green chili. Let the spices become fragrant. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin. Mix the spices well. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Stir everything together until the potatoes are evenly coated with the spices. Finish with some fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Let the filling cool completely. Now let's create the flaky layers. Take a portion of the dough. And roll it into a thin circle. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon corn flour with 1 tablespoon ghee to make a smooth slurry. The flaky layers are created by spreading a fat-based slurry between the dough folds. Spread a thin layer of this slurry over the rolled dough. Fold it as shown to create layers. Roll it gently again without pressing too hard. Now place prepared potato filling in the center. Bring the edges together and seal the kachori carefully. Flatten it gently into a round shape. Heat oil over low heat. Carefully place the kachoris into the oil. Slow frying helps the kachori develop its crisp and puffy texture. Fry slowly until they puff up beautifully. Keep turning them gently so they cook evenly. Continue frying until all the kachoris become puffy, golden and crispy. Your homemade Aloo Puff Kachori is ready. Flaky, crispy, beautifully puffed and filled with spicy potatoes. These kachoris are perfect for tea time or a special snack. Serve them hot and enjoy that delicious crunch. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more delicious recipes and homemade treats.